Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to sum column in Notion. So basically just type here a new table view, which is basically a new database, and I will call my database sum. Now I will expand my database, so open as full page, and now I will add a property which will be a number, and now just simply add three numbers which we can then sum together. So I will show you right now how to sum it up. Now before you could just go down here and there would appear a button to sum it up, but it is not longer a case. So how to do this now? First click on number, then click on calculate, then more options and sum. And voila, your sum of these values is right here. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.